Hotel. Ano yan? Hotel Batalenas. Ito yung gusto kong flooring eh, sa labas. Wazy paving. Sa labas ng hotel, heto na siya, main road. Ayan, kabahayan. Tapos heto siya, bricks. Sitting area nila na yung mga damo, uncut grasses. Yeah. Actually, we're looking somewhere to it. It's still closed. Cerrado, they said. It will open. All the restaurants, I think, are open 8 o'clock. Alas 8 in punto, they will open. But we're going this way, exploring a little bit more.
Yeah, that's it.
It's the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again.
Kala ko pupuntahan namin El Barco eh. Ito El Hippodromo. Oh. Si Stan, gusto niya. Ayun talaga, he wants something to drink. Siya'y nauuhaw na sa kanyang beer. Any alcoholic drink. Find the bar here where we can have our beer and pineapple juice. So it's nice to sit in there. We'll have some refreshment here first. After having our cool drink, beer and pineapple juice. The pineapple juice, they call it piña. Piña is pineapple also in Philippines. Camping Cabumeo. Oh, this is nice in here. And exploring a little bit more. There, look. And more to explore the place. Dito, we're going up. There's some monument on top. Okay, ayun. Let's investigate. On top, you can see the sea, deep blue sea. Yung aming lalakaran, grabaan namin. So we'll go up a little bit farther up. Kaya takot si Ista na lumakad ng pababa. You know, wow. This footpath by the sea, we're going down. Ang tatapakan, footpath. We're already here on top. Hanggang dun kami sa end of the footpath. I think we still have like 300 yards away hanggang dun sa dulo. Pero side by side is water. What's this? So we're here. We reached the end of this footpath. Yan mga tao rito sa Rocky One. Ganda oh. Ito naman kami ni Stan. Hello horsey. Horsey, hello. Look at me, my darling. Takot ako baka sipain ako eh. Dalawa, two beautiful white horses. I'm just so scared. Maybe he'll just kick me like that. And pa, hello, horsey. Love you, horsey. Pati ang baby. Ang ganda rito. We just walk on top of the hill. So you can see the water side to side. I had to pala building to this side. To my left and to my right is water. Finally, we're going back to the hotel now. I'm so tired walking along the coast, on top of the hill, on the street, everywhere. We just had some ice cream, pineapple juice. We don't have lunch. The dinner, all the restaurants will be opened at 8 o'clock. That's so late. Ito, still closed. This one. This pharmacy is actually chemist or pharmacy. Very obvious, diba? Pharmacy. That's where we went. Yung aking paanggala. Medyo malayo pa kami sa hotel. I like it. It's very sunny. But on top of the hill, by the sea. And we're still walking along the street, long street of, I forgot the name of this street. Sabi ni Stan, funny looking building daw. Itong blue. This is why he's talking about funny looking building. O nga naman, even the color, diba? Tapos ito na, to this side, para mga flat houses siya. I don't like it at all. Kasi pa siyang mga council house. Ito na kami, malapit na kami sa hotel. Ito, Bar Costa Brava. Yung katabi niyan, yan yung hotel. Yan kami mag-stay for 2 nights. Yan na, pasok na si Stan sa hotel. Yan, Hotel Matalenas ang tawag. We're going in. Sa reception. Nice and cool. Ganda ng stairs, so marble all the way. Ayan o. Diba? Sarado means close. In Tagalog is sarado. And upper level kami. Still more. Look. Dahan-dahan si Stan na maakyat. Hinihingal na yan. At eto naman yung aking panglakwatsyera. Ayan. Gala ng gala. Dumating na init. Gabi rito mainit Santander. Anyway, it's summertime. In winter time, I think it's much better. Obvious naman. Just nearby, so walking distance from the hotel. Ayun si Stanley, niya malaman kung ano order. So nice. I'm so full up. Thanks for the really nice dinner. Mussels, seafood dinner, bread, and the wine for him. It's all gone. Thank you. Gracias. This is our second day in the hotel. Ang ganda ng araw, as you see. Gagala na naman kami mga kababes. I like the place. Ito, looking through the window yun, makikita mo. Tapos umaaraw. Ayan. Stan and I are ready to explore the beach this time.
Right, we'll just go downstairs.
We'll go for a
coffee.
little drive. What?
We'll just go downstairs for a coffee.
Go downstairs for a coffee daw. We're here at the reception area and Stan is trying to work out the coffee maker. Coffee machine. I don't know, maybe you have to put it somewhere here. Trying to figure out how does it work. With the help of this bloke here, we managed to turn it on, we work it out. Yeah. There's a nice coffee machine here in the reception area. Yeah, it's just so cute. Everything here is so nice. And actually the size of the room is home is big enough for this hotel. Here's the bloke help us to operate the little machine. Nyo, siya yung tumulong sa amin sa pag-turn on ng machine. We don't know how to work it out. Ang ganda rito early in the morning. It's just so cool. Stan is trying to open the other door. That's funny. I said we are on the second level, not the first level. Binubuksan niya yung pinto na may pinto. Funny. All set to go now. Ba't nasa lapag to? Aalis na po kami. Punta kaming beach. Ayan po ako sa malaking mirror. Tumaba. Ayan si Stan. Grabe, nakakataba rito. Sarap kumain. Wow, it's so sunny now. What time is it? It's nearly 10 o'clock in the morning. Ganda rito. Have you noticed something? The road is not busy at all. It's past in the morning. Oh, I like it here. Shady. So many trees here. Nice and refreshing morning. It's only 10 o'clock a.m. in the morning. So we just turn you around till I get dizzy. First time with the view here. It's so nice to have breakfast. Tapos ganyan yung view makikita nyo. Honey, we can sit right there. Better. Or just okay to sit here, honey. Wow, nice view from here. Bon appetit. Yun pala yung aming order namin omelette on toast. Mga ka-babes, ang ganda ng view nito. Tapos breakfast mo dito, wow. Mapapawaw ka talaga sa view. Ang sasarap. Sana masarap yung omelette.
Coffee? Yeah, okay.
Coffee, yeah? Oh, sarap ng buhay. Si Stan lahat nagbabayad. Taga-kain lang, taga-sakay. Taga-kuha ng picture, ng video. Si Don Stan. Mga ka-babes, I wanna dip my bread in the coffee kasi the bread is quite hard. Yan. Ang sarap. Dip the bread in a coffee. I can see, yeah. And eat. Just so nice. This one, no? Croissant. Honey, dip your croissant in a... That's what we do in the Philippines. We dip our bread. Lalo na rito, the French bread is quite hard. is the stairs going down. We will go all the way. We have to walk here first. Long way walk. So we're finally going down to the beach area. That's where we're going down. That's where we're going. And more steps go down. And more steps to go down. And a bench here so that they can rest while going up. And more. Nearly. I don't know how many steps going down. I didn't count it. Honey, I want in a shady area, you know me. I don't want to go there. Okay, people start to come now. What time is it? It's 11:30. Yan, nasa may cliff kami. Tabi ng cliff. At ako hindi pa ako pumupunta sa dagat. I still don't feel like going to the sea. It's a bit cold for me. Yan ako. Yan. Ikot. Ayoko, mahihilo na naman ako. Decided to go back to the sea. It's quite nice and cooling. You don't have to swim or submerge yourself in the water. Just cool down. Yan yung aking anino. Tumingin na lang kayo sa anino. Grabe, malalaki yung alon dito. Pupunta ako sa gandang kanina. Ayun, mas malalaki nun eh. Kailangan hanggang bewang mo na, kaya nga lang. I'm afraid na bababasa. Ayun, mas malaki na alon doon, no? Oh my God! Oh my God! Kailangan sa malalim pa ako. Ayun, okay. Ayan, no? I'll just wait for another wave, the bigger one. And now, after not really long, short, satisfying stay on the beach, so I think Stan and I will have some refreshment again. It's lunchtime. The supermarket or mall here. The name is Mercadona because we're looking for the cash machine. So nice and beautiful here. Not expected it like this. Just nearby the hotel where we stay. Yung mga flats niya quite like it. But the other flats in our place I don't like it at all. But this, so now I see now the Santander is also beautiful.